بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to day 20 of Quran Recitation Mastery. In today's video, I'll be talking about the third rule of Meem Saakinah, which is Idhar Shafawi, which is also known as Idhar Meem Saakinah. So in the previous video, I talked about Ikhfa Shafawi. I said Ikhfa Shafawi as a letter which is Ba. And then when Ba comes immediately after Meem Sakina, you apply Ikhfa Shafawi, which means you do Ikhfa of Meem. The meaning of Ikhfa of Meem is that you apply Ikhfa to the Meem, like you apply Gunna. Whenever you hear Ikhfa, you should know that it means like you apply Gunna to something when you hear Ikhfa. So Ikhfa Meem Sakina means you apply Gunna to Meem Sakina. So before you pronounce the Ba. So you're applying Gunna to the Meem Sakina before you pronounce Ba. Okay? So in this case, since you're applying Gunna to the Meem before pronouncing Ba, you have to pronounce the Meem slightly. Like you pronounce it lightly, not like the full Meem, since you're applying Gunna to it, and then because of Ba. You know, when I talked about Iqlab, Nun Sakin, I talked about Iqlab, right? And then I said Iqlab has one letter, which is Ba. And then when you have Ba immediately after Nun Sakina, you know, Nun Sakina, there will be a small Meem on it. So you are turning the Nun Sakina to Meem slightly, like to a small Meem. So you are pronouncing it lightly, and then you apply Guna, right? So this is the same thing you are doing here. The only difference is in the written form. The difference is in the written form, in the sense that you have Nun Sakina before Ba, or Meem Sakina before Ba. Okay? So, but the way you pronounce them is the same thing. So an example is lahum bihim, not lahum bihim, okay, but lahum bihim ترميهم بحجارة. Okay, so let's move on to today's lesson. إظهار الشفوي has 26 letters. You know, I already talked about إخفاء الشفوي and then إدغام متماثلين. Those ones have one letter each. Like إدغام الشفوي, إدغام متماثلين has one letter. إخفاء الشفوي has one letter. And then you know we have 28 letters. So that means the remaining ones belong to إظهار الشفوي. So the remaining ones is 26. So whenever you see Meem Sakina before any Arabic letter, you have to apply, okay, excluding Ba and Meem, you have to apply Idhar. Now I want to ask you, what is Idhar? Now, even you don't need to think about it, you just need to say it. Like, it should be something that should be ringing in your head right now. Like, Idhar is the clear pronunciation of something. So since idhar means the clear pronunciation of something, therefore idhar Meem Sakina will be the clear pronunciation of Meem Sakina. So that means you have to pronounce Meem Sakina here clearly without any form of gunna. So examples: Lam yalide, not Lam yalide, but Lam. Pronounce it clearly. Lam yalide. Walam yulad. وامرأته. Okay, if you have to stop, like you don't pronounce the last vowel in a word when you're stopping. So it should be وامرأته. So bihamd, not bihamdi. Though when you're pronouncing it normally, it should be bihamdi, but when you're stopping, you cancel out the vowel and then give it sukun. And the reason why it is not just D but DE here You know it later, inshallah. So bihamdi. Antum abidun. So I want to ask you a question here. The antum, what is the ruling there? Why did I do gunna? Why did I do gunna in the antum? Like, why did I apply gunna to the noun? Okay, let me answer it. I think you should have the answer by now. So I applied gunna because you have ta immediately after noun Saakinah. I know that noun, it has no vowel. So it has, you cannot see fatha kasra dhamma on it, okay? So that means it has sukun. So and then ta is a letter of ikhfa. I'm talking about noon sakina here. So it's the letter of ikhfa. So I'll do the ghunna of the noon. So that is why it is antum. I really do hope that you've not forgotten. So antum abidun lam yalid ولم يولد وامرأته بحمد أنتم عابدون. So exercise, find 50 examples of ikhfa shafawi in the Quran and pronounce them. You know, it's easy, it's really easy to pronounce, because even if you don't know anything about tajweed, you pronounce this the same way. Okay? And then revise every single thing you've learned so far.